VWrap Vulnerability Scanner. Cybersecurity. Introduction to cybersecurity. Understanding the basics. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. These attacks are often aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, disrupting operations, or stealing money. Understanding the threat landscape. Common threats and their impact. Cyber threats come in many forms, each with potential to cause serious damage. Here are some of the most common: malware, phishing, ransomware, DDoS attacks, insider threats. Why cybersecurity matters. Protecting your assets. Cybersecurity protects what matters most: your data, devices, money, and reputation. In today's digital world, even a small breach can lead to big losses, whether it's personal photos, business secrets, or customer information. Keeping it safe means avoiding theft, downtime, and damage to trust. Strong cybersecurity helps you stay in control, prevent costly attacks, and build a safer digital environment. Essential cybersecurity practices. Best practices for safety. Practicing good cybersecurity means using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, keeping software updated, and being cautious online. These simple steps help protect your data and devices from common threats. Securing your network. Defense strategies. Protecting your network starts with using strong passwords, enabling firewalls, and encrypting Wi-Fi connections. Regularly updating devices, limiting access, and monitoring for unusual activity are key strategies to keep intruders out and your data safe. Break slides. We'll resume shortly. Safeguarding your data. Ensuring data integrity. Ensuring data integrity means keeping your information accurate, complete, and unaltered. Use backups, access controls, and encryption to prevent unauthorized changes, and regularly verify data to detect tampering or corruption early. The future of cybersecurity. Emerging challenges and solutions. As technology evolves, cyber threats are becoming more advanced with AI-driven attacks and growing risks from IoT devices. To stay ahead, organizations are using smarter defenses, like machine learning zero-trust models and stronger global cooperation to detect and stop threats faster. VWrap Vulnerability Scanner. Thank you.